Number 9, lot F27, is a 1979 Chevrolet custom van with an LS V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it sold for $25,300 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 250 miles. And highlights are LS V8 engine, aggressive cam, 4L60 transmission with overdrive, root beer brown exterior, sunroof, custom tan interior, Holly Pro dash, air conditioning, custom stereo, custom side door, custom side pipes, and custom wheels. And if ever you wanted to travel back to the 70s during the custom van craze, this would be a good one to do it in, except you got an LS engine in this one instead of the old 350 V8 that would have been in it. So it'd be a little bit more efficient and not quite as many fumes off of it as the old engine would have been. But if you want to step back in time, this was a good one to do it with. If you drove this one to the cruise, you'd definitely be the only one driving one, I would guess. You'd definitely be one of a kind. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.